Namaskar. From 14 to 17 of March, we are doing retreat in United Kingdom. Retreat is a very transformative event, so we call it Life Transformations, the Yogic way. In retreat, we are doing meditation together. Through meditation, the body and mind is a biological machine. The body and mind can exist in a state of hell or can exist in a state of heaven. It depends on the regulations of your emotions, on the adjustments of the ideas within the mind. So the best way to transform your state is to meditate, to do asanas, and to absorb great ideas, to eat good food also. So all those things we are doing during this 3 days event. And in 3 days, your state of mind can go very, very high. You can do it all also on your own. When you meditate on your own, you change your state of mind, but it is much more inspiring to meditate together. When you wake up together and then you sit, and then there is such a field of meditation. It's just like almost buzzing. Whoa. And you're enjoying, you're feeling energy of meditation, and you want to meditate more and more and become more and more high. So in that way, you become really awakened. So the goal of this event, what I want to achieve in this event, is to develop this taste of life, this desire to live. I want to live. I want to meditate. I want to progress in every area of my life. So this state of drive, of internal inspiration, is the very, very proper state of the mind. And in practicing yoga and meditation, we are trying to achieve exactly that state of the mind. So I cordially invite you to this life-transforming event, which is called Life Transformations, the Yogic way. You will find all the information in the descriptions of this video. We'll see you there.